Well, today also we are going to start DP Kids. Okay, so Yonal is going to join us. Okay, so see how beautifully she's dressed. Okay, like for by grace. Of course, we all love the nature, the sports and arts. Yes, and specific professions. The new generation, they love those things, so it's a good thing, right? Okay, once you love to do innovative things, it's really useful to the world and to you. Yes, so that is why that here also in DP Kids program we provide you a chance to practice your drawing, and once you practice drawing, you are very creative and you are very innovative. Drawing will give you a chance to think out the box things creatively. Okay, not only that, once you love the nature, and then once you see the nature, once you protect the nature, you can be a very good person. So today we are going to draw a beautiful bird. Okay, it's actually a beautiful bird, a Polkichcha. Okay, so it's really beautiful. And then shall we start to draw? Okay, first we are going to draw its eyes like this. Okay, and another circle like this, and see how we can draw its eyes, and then we can color only this part. And then we can draw another line like this, a circle. Okay, right. Okay, good. And then we drew its head like this. Okay. And then with its body and stomach, we can draw like this. And then we can go for a shape like this. Then we can draw the body part like this. Okay, and its wings. We can draw one of its wings like this. Shall we draw the beak also? A small cute beak. Okay. And we can draw another line like this. We can draw the other wing also somewhere here. You can draw another wing now like this. Okay. Shall we add his legs like this? We can complete its legs like this. Now we are going to draw its tail. Okay, it has a beautiful tail like this with some feathers. That's a special feature for this bird. Then other two feathers we can draw like this. And another feathers we can add here. Okay. Now we can complete its wing like this. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Now we have a Polkichcha.
Magpie.
Right? Yes. Okay. Right. Shall we color this? Wow, now we have beautiful Polkichcha. See, it's so beautiful. Now like this, or you also can draw the pictures, and once you refer our previous programs using the Kids YouTube channel, and then okay, so you can see a lot of things. So today also we are going to leave and hope to bring you another video. Okay, bye.